Hello Morris, Miss Baig here and welcome to your first SPaG video or SPaG lesson for this week. Today is Wednesday the 20th of January 2021. Our learning objective for this lesson is, can I use verbs in the present tense? And my screen is frozen. There we go. What is a verb? A verb is an action. It is something that you do. All of these are verbs. Eat, sleep, drink, whisper, stand, shout, sit, run and wash. Can you think of any more verbs? Well done. Okay, can you find the verb in these sentences? I'm going to read the sentences out and then we're going to find the verbs together. Got my pen, lovely. Our world is the planet Earth. Can you find the verb in that sentence? Well done. Is. From space, all of the sea makes Earth look blue. Can you find the verb in that sentence? Fantastic. It's makes. Now, I'll give you a little hint, Morris. When you are looking for a verb and you're talking about someone else other than yourself, it usually ends with a s. Okay? So, let's try another sentence. Earth is one of the 8 planets in the solar system. Earth is one of the 8 planets in the solar system. Can you find the verb in that sentence? Fantastic. It's is, same as the first sentence. Last sentence. Together, the planets circle around the sun. Where is the doing? What is the doing word in that sentence? Fantastic, it's circle. Lovely. Okay, this information tells us what is happening right now. It is written in the present tense. Present tense. Present tense. Well done. We mostly use the present tense when we are writing about things that are true right now. For example, my eyes are brown. My name is Miss Baig. It's not Bob. I go to the Langley Academy Primary School. Or things that we do again and again. So a bit like a repeated pattern. I get up at 7 o'clock every morning. I brush my teeth after I eat my breakfast. I walk to school with my mum. Sometimes we have to add an S to the end of a word if we are talking about someone else. I run to school. My sister runs to school. Now we're going to play a little game. We're going to read through these sentences and we are going to see if they are written in the correct tense or if they make sense. So good listening ears. Let's start. I likes school. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down if that makes sense to you. Well done. A thumbs down. Let's see. Let's just double check. Well done, that does not make sense. Let's try this one. My mum sings loudly. Thumbs up or thumbs down if that makes sense to you. Let's check. Well done. How about my sister's jumps on the trampoline? Thumbs up or thumbs down if that makes sense to you. Let's have a check. Well done, that does not make sense. Next one, we jump together. Thumbs up or thumbs down if that makes sense to you. Well done. Let's see. That makes sense. Last one, my brother watches TV. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Fantastic. Let's double check if that is right. Well done, Morris. You are really good at that game. Okay, I'm going to read 2 sentences to you and you need to tell me which sentence is in the present tense, so it's happening right now. So good listening. Sentence number 1, Bob was sleeping. Sentence number 2, Bob is reading his book. Show me your fingers. Is it sentence number 1 or sentence number 2? Which sentence is written in the present tense and is happening right now? Well done, it is sentence number 2. And the word that shows us that it is written in the present tense is. Well done. Morris, just a quick side note. This is not your task, so you don't need to be writing this down. So you don't need to upload this on this part of the lesson onto Tapestry. You're just verbally saying the answers. We're going through the answers together, okay? Your task is right at the end. So you don't need to write any of this down. Let's continue. Which word is the verb in this sentence? So good listening. Bob sticks all the pictures in his big scrapbook. Bob sticks all the pictures in his big scrapbook. Which one is the verb? Which word is the verb? Let's break down the sentence. What is Bob doing? He's sticking all the pictures in his big scrapbook. So which one is the action? What is he actually doing? Is he dancing on the scrapbook? Is he singing on the scrapbook? What is he doing? Well done. He is sticking pictures. Bob sticks all the pictures in his big scrapbook. Well done. Okay, now I'm going to read 4 sentences to you. You just need to hold up your fingers which one you think is written in the present tense. So good listening. Question number one, sorry, not question number one. Sentence number 1. The teacher wrote on the board. Is that, have a quick think. Is that written in the present tense? The teacher wrote on the board. Okay, sentence number 2. The teacher looks at our work. Sentence number 3. The teacher asked us to tidy up. And sentence number 4. The teacher told us a story. Show me your fingers. Which one is written in the present tense? Fantastic. It is number 2. The teacher looks at our work. And there's that special hint there. We've got a s on the end. Well done. Okay. Which one of these sentences is written in the present tense? Good listening. Sentence number 1. Mum took Bob breakfast in bed. Mum took Bob breakfast in bed. Number 2. Mum makes Bob a hot drink. Mum makes Bob a hot drink. Or is it number 3? Mum gave Bob a book. Or is it number 4? Mum read Bob a story. Show me your fingers. Fantastic, you got the hint. It is, of course, number 2. And the word that tells us is written in the present tense is makes with a s on the end. Well done. Okie dokie. So again, you are going to tell me which word, okay, tells us or shows us that this sentence is written in the present tense. The drink is very hot. The drink is very hot. Can you tell me through the screen? Well done. It's is. The drink is very hot. Because if it was written in the past tense, that sentence would read, the drink was hot. The drink was hot, but this is in the present tense right now. Okie dokie. Now, here is a sentence. It is missing 2 words. Our job is to fill in the blank with a word, but we need to make sure that this sentence reads in present tense, okay? So we need to choose a word to fit in this sentence, but it has to be in present tense. So let's read the sentence. The sun shining and Bob in the garden. So is it the sun is shining, or is it the sun was shining? Hold your finger up, hold your finger up, 1 finger up if you think it's is, hold 2 fingers up if you think it was. 3, 2, 1, go, go, go. Well done, it's number 1, it's is. Is. The sun is shining. Let's do the next part of the sentence. And Bob played in the garden, or and Bob plays in the garden. So put 1 finger up if you think it's played, put 2 fingers up if you think it's plays with a s on the end. 3, 2, 1, let me see your fingers. Fabulous, it's number 2, it's plays. Well done. Right, let's see if I can do some neat handwriting. Plays. Now let's read the sentence all together to see if it makes sense. The sun is shining and Bob plays in the garden. Is that in present tense? Fantastic. Thank you so much for helping me with that sentence. Okay, Morris, now it is time for you to complete your activity. So you will need a pen, a paper or pencil for this part. So if you don't have that already, pause the video here, go and grab that now. And once you come back, I will explain what your task is. Okay, so your task is you are going to be writing one sentence to describe something that you can see that is happening in this picture right now. You will need to underline the verbs in your sentence and check that you have used the correct punctuation. Okay, so for example, I can see the sky is dark. The sky is dark. I can see the lights are on. I can see the lights are on. I can see people walking. I can see the bus is jetting past, or even the rocket is jetting past. I can see the bus is stationary, which means it's stopped. It's at a standstill. So if I were to write the sentence, what I would do is, so for example, I'm going to choose the sentence. Ready? Right. I'm going to say, the sky is dark and gloomy. Now, which word in my sentence indicates or tells us that it is in the present tense? Well done. It is the word, well, actually, hang on a moment. I'm going to change font color. I'll do red. Is. The sky is dark and gloomy. And I've started my sentence with a capital letter and I've ended it with a full stop. If I wanted to even describe the sky even further, I could use another adjective, but I've just sticked with dark and gloomy. Okay, so you're only writing one sentence to describe what is happening in the picture. Let me just go back a screen so you can see the picture. There we go. So pause the video here, think of a couple of ideas. If you like, you can do more than one sentence if you like, okay? But the minimum is one. So thank you very much for joining me in this SPaG video, so spelling, punctuation and grammar video. I hope you have enjoyed and I will see you in the next video. I look forward to seeing all of your sentences on Tapestry. Take care for now, Morris. Stay home, stay safe and keep smiling. Bye.